Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to make text to video using Lucas AI. So first of all, just need to go here on this website, type app.idomo.ai, and then you just need to sign up your account. Once you've done, you can now go here on Lucas AI homepage. Now at the bottom, you will see suggested prompts that you can use to generate your videos, but you can also type here your own. But now, let's try the suggested prompt to generate a video. So for example, here on video ad, want to try this dress by Daniel. So just click on this one. Now click on this send icon right here at the right side to start generate a video. So click on that. And from here, as you can see, you can actually change the ratio of the video from 1:1. You can change it to landscape. So click on the landscape and click on create video. And we just need to wait for a few minutes. And here, once you've done, as you can see, we have the videos that we can download. So that's how you basically make text to video using Lucas AI. And that's it. Find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.